on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
This, of course, is the diffused DRLs that you guys know, my daytime running lights with the projector. When you see DRLs, these are the two bars it's talking about. That is notified as the projector. And if you what up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, known as the AUDIOZONE. I want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support you guys are giving this channel, man. We're back to vlogging again. As you can see, we're trying to be more consistent again. Want to give y'all on my behalf, sorry, man, for King is always going crazy for not being consistent with it. Look what's going on over here, y'all. See this guy here? I trained him to protect mommy. And he takes the job too serious. Like he don't want nobody by her. He don't want nothing going on, but it is what it is. But today we're gonna have here with Miss Amy, aka known as Mopar Cutie. We're gonna go outside and look at her vehicle and show you what we're gonna be doing, and y'all can get to see this build as we get it going over here, y'all. So I'm gonna introduce you to Mrs. Mopar Cutie. This is Miss Amy herself right here. She has two of them now, but we're gonna be working on this one now. So show you what's going on with it. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You are the president of Elite?
I am the president of the North Central chapter.
North Central chapter, and this is your baby girl. Because this is just the beginning of the phase of this car going to be going through. Because the other one is, if you don't know her, go to her Instagram. The other one is nasty. She built actually a phone call I was around when you were fighting with Rob about a show car compared to, you're talking about the air ride and all that. You build show cars, and that's what your idea is.
Right.
So that's a good thing. I mean,
we'll eventually get there, yes.
Oh yeah, I mean, this is just a new process. This is the new one. If you look at her IG, you'll see the old one and you see where this one's gonna go. But we get the pleasure of being able to work on her today, doing something. In fact, I'm not gonna tell y'all today. I'm gonna let y'all watch the journey. If we start building this car, she can have a full vlog on it, but it's gonna be something that can be very nice the first time we get to touch this car. So we're gonna do what we have to do and make sure that when she leaves, she's happy, smiling, and out there winning some more trophies and making things happen, y'all. So anything you want to tell the channel? You worried about your car today?
No, I'm not worried at all. I think it's in great
hands. If it catches fire, you good?
Hey.
No, we ain't doing that, man. But this one's already here, guys. Now stay tuned as we start getting the tear down and the build process. So this car will be done. It's dropped off today. This car will be done by tomorrow afternoon. She'll have everything that she needs in the car. Hopefully we get to impress her. She's hard to impress, but I'm pretty sure the team could put it together and make it happen. Stay tuned. I'm bringing you to the shop. We got a crazy day going on, but I'm gonna show you what's going on. We got the Mopar Cutie car part. The guys already got the seat. They're not mounted, y'all, so they're not installed yet, but they got them kind of where they're gonna be going into. You can see this. It's a quad row flow series just for her. We're looking in front of doing this right now just so you have an understanding of what's going on with her. When he's making the brackets and everything to make these lights go and floating. Cobina has a big break and has to sit behind, but that's what that is. And Josh is already working on the headlights. You can tell Josh already got one headlight apart. The other one's over there, two headlights apart. One of them's done.
One's done.
One's done. One's coming together because the lens from her. But he's gonna probably resealing this light now to get the Mopar Cutie car going, and then everything else has to go in the car. So the team is working, man. But I'll be honest with you, it's a bigger challenge than normal because of the big brakes. She got 20-inch rims instead of like 22s like everybody else that has them. So it's definitely more difficult, but we're gonna make it happen, y'all. Stay tuned. Update on Amy's car. We already got one side together. This side is where they're working on now. Underglow's already being in progress for her. This is the Mopar Cutie, y'all, so shout out to her. But we're getting this car together right now. They got the front end disassembled, as you see here. Man, she really got a lot of detail. Like Mopar Cutie, she's everywhere on this car. But now they got these wheels, and let me show you, because these are the wheels that like we did for her. These are 4 rows, so they should be really, really bright. Quad row wheel lights from Lighting Trends with the controllers and all that, because this should be actually a phenomenal build for her. This is what they look like when they're done. Now this, just so you understand, being that this car has big brakes and the wheels are 20-inch, they go close, we had to recess these in the back, but this is what it's going to look like when it's done here. And he's actually working on these here in the back too, so you can see how this design goes on these wheel lights. So with that being done, once the wheel gets on, you will be able to see the light, but these are quad row because they're supposed to be very, very bright, and that is what we're going for on this build. Underglow's in process of being done, the engine bay gonna be done, and we should have a car ready for delivery for Amy very shortly on her build. We also got the Mercedes G-Wagon here. We're doing an audio repair on this one, and then we have Jason DeLay car, which is one of my favorite Challengers ever, honestly. This one came in. We're gonna change the stall converter on this one and get it done. And for y'all, if y'all like old schools, man, this belongs to my brother-in-law. Trying to make a deal with him on this build, but it is up for sale, man. This car is completely restored. I'm talking about from frame up, y'all. every suspension, every piece in this car is redone. I'm talking about the frame is done, interior, this whole car was stripped down and painted all over again. Wild Wood brake upgrades, big block engine in it, Wild Wood brakes all the way. I got the wheels and tires inside the car. It needs the 2 windows, but the car is completely painted. It's a 1969 Pontiac Firebird. If you look for them in these conditions, once this car is clean, this car is definitely worth over $100,000 if you look at it. But this one is up for sale. So if you know somebody looking for an old school, man, this might be the one for them. I have a majority of the pieces for it here, but this car is going to be going up for sale. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and let the guys do what they got to do there and get this day going as we move on here. So giving y'all a new update, we're working on this, but I'm going to show y'all something that we had to deal with. She has a real big diffuser that's in the rear, as you can tell here, and it won't allow the strips to go in there. So we had to do, and so I can show you on camera, we had to pretty much make holes to be able to pass the strip through, as you can see there. So once it's installed, then it'll be a flat build, but that's pretty much what we had to do to get these LEDs installed. So that's part of the process. But just like that, her car's coming together, y'all. I know she's gonna be very happy. On this light build, you know, she has this bar. We got more engine light, but I'm gonna show you. If you see the light, the wire, we actually hid this. You won't be able to find the wire of this car even if you wanted to. If you try to search for that wire, you're not gonna find it. I know where it's at, and I'm gonna show y'all what we did. We actually brought it. You don't even see no wires in here, look. You don't see nothing. What we did is that we hid it in the factory harness. Look at the factory harness from the car, and we hit our wire right here with the factory harness and the same factory tape, so you don't even tell that that wire is there. We're gonna light up some more of the strip. The upper grill's done here, lower grill's done there. The underglows is working in progress. We're working the wheel lights, but just giving you a little update of what this is gonna come out to be for Mopar Cutie as this car gets built and get it going, y'all. So this G-Wagon came in, like I showed y'all a minute ago, had an audio problem, needed an amplifier. We got this one buttoned up, this one's coming out the door right now. Pretty much what the day happened for us, man. But it's a lot of work, y'all. We do a lot of work here, many hours put into work. What you guys see on YouTube is not what the day's like. It's a kind of shrunken version, but the guys are getting it. Let's let them do their thing. Alrighty, guys, so we're at the finale of this day, man, getting Mopar her Cutie back, man, and it's definitely a blessing to be able to have it. We were just talking about some ideas we're gonna do on this car. She is a showgirl, so she likes to be in the shows, but I really cooked up something that I did back in the day. Nobody has it no more. It was a one-off. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but I think we're gonna be the first one to do it to her, because she goes to shows and she likes to be different, and it's something that when it gets done, it's gonna blow your mind. I think I'm gonna set it up with her because I know it's gonna be different and unique, but we'll talk about that later. Today, we're giving her a car back. Let me break it down to you what's been done to the car. We got a double row, 6-bar underglow kit. We have the wheel light with our 4 bars, 4 rows. We have the engine bay. We have the diffused DLRs. We have the projectors. We have the louver in the rear done. We have the grill lights and the scoop lights. And I think that was everything. Plus, we also have the license plate thing, which is a great thing. If you haven't caught yours, come and get an AUDIOZONE, man. But I'm gonna walk you through the build and I'm gonna let you guys see who she is. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through what was built on the car. This, of course, is the diffused DRLs that you guys know, my daytime running lights with the projector. When you see DRLs, these are the 2 bars it's talking about. That is notified as the projector. And if you have the fog light, that's the other option you see for fog lights. But with the diffused, if you look at it, you have no pixelation, and that's what makes it the coolest thing in the world, right? Like, that's one of my favorites. Then you have the engine bay, where she has a bar that's down here, which I know you'll be seeing her poke, but there's one here, one down here in the front, one there in the back. It gives the whole engine bay glow without seeing too many lights, which I like. You got upper lower grill, which y'all see that, but it's daytime out here. You also got the scoop, but you can't see it. You see it, but not as well as you would because it's daytime. You got the 4-row wheel lights, which is back there seeing it. You got the underglow here, and then she could kind of see the effects. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera because it's kind of bright outside, but you guys see it. And then of course she has her louver, which is doing some lighting back there, doing that. And she also has this, which is the hideaway license plate, and what that does, and when she goes to shows or she's doing stuff like that, she could black out her plate and you guys will know her tag number to come and try to get her car later. And that's pretty much what it comes to, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up to her and let her speak to you guys, man. If you guys don't know her, get to introduce you guys to her. Give always a share and a follow to her, man. She's definitely in the community. She is one of the rarest ones in the female that's true to the game. She got a lot of these events. A lot of people got to know her because this is really a passion that she has. A lot of the stuff that's on her car, she's actually done on her own. So this is something that she actually lives for. Like, she does this, man. So I'm gonna introduce you to her. I'm gonna introduce you as Mopar Cutie so y'all get to know her. The best thing in the world. Let me just shoot this out. You know what I'm saying? This is just me. But y'all see that flag right there? Let me pay attention. Look, there's two worlds, the Puerto Rican and the Ecuadorian, because she's a mix Puerto Rican Ecuador, which means that she has enough bad attitude to whoop your ass, so be careful how y'all speak, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and introduce you today to Mopar Cutie. I'm not gonna give you a real name, that's up to her if she wants to, but that's what you're gonna know her as. Give her the support if you haven't followed her. Give her the support for sure, because she's really true to the game, man. So she has another one. If you go to her IG, she has another build that she's had for a long time. That was her main show car. That one went through a situation. She replaced it with this one, and now this is the new journey that she's beginning to build. So I know this can go. If you don't know her old car, you'll get to know it. But this one got a journey to go, and she just started it today. We want to thank you for the privilege of serving this car today. We came up with some other brainstorm, but I think we're gonna do it because I want to make it different. But here goes Mrs. Mopar Cutie. This is Bill talking about your car.
Hey everyone. Yep, just like Jeff said, this is my second build, so I do have another one. A lot of you know that's my 100% show car. We're about to do the same thing to this one. We've got a wrap coming in the next couple months. We've got a lot of stuff going on for this one.
So stay tuned, man.
Stay tuned, and thank you to AUDIOZONE.
No. Thank you for giving the chance to serve you, man.
They did an amazing job. You gotta come see them.
Yeah, man. But you know what the most important thing is in this game of audio, of being a car guy, man. You build relationships. I have a lot of relationships with a lot of people out there. That's the AUDIOZONE. Y'all remember her? Yeah. That's the original baby right there. But in this car game, man, you got a lot of different things that go on. You meet great people. You meet bad people. You meet a lot of people. These are good people, man. And the long story short, like I said, she's true to the game. So you'll get to see a little bit more about this car as the build comes through. Stay posted, because I'm going to do something on this car. It could be a one-off, and all y'all going to want it, but y'all going to get it today because she's going to get it first. But that's going to be something I think we're going to plan that. I just want to make the car different because I know the journey that this car is going to go into and what it's going to be at the end. And everything is blood, sweat, and tears and love, man, because that's what we have for the car. You know what I'm saying? She brought it here to the shop. I'm pretty sure if you check her Instagram for the next couple of days, you'll start seeing some more posts. You guys showing you at nighttime. Obviously, it's daytime. It's bright and it's hot as heck here in Dallas, Texas. But you'll get to see more of the build and what's going on with it and what's happening with her, man. So this is Miss Mopar Cutie. She brought us the car. She's about to take delivery of her car. We want to thank you for giving us a chance of serving you. The only rule you have, if you drive this car and you see smoke come out of the dashboard, get out and call 911. Your car's on fire. I'm only playing. God, no karma on that. It's a joke. But we do want to tell you thank you. Honestly, for the opportunity of being able to serve you. And anything that we have, you know, anything we could do to serve you, we're definitely here. The team, look at the guy who did your wheel lights. He could tell you the pain in the rear end.
Thank you.
That was one of the hardest ones you've done. Yeah. And there's a reason we're not going to do it. But that is a very hard one to do. But you know what? The results and at the end, today when she parks out there, you get to see it. Thank you so much from the bottom of our heart, Ms. Mopar. My buddy here, what's your name, man? Tell everybody what's your name.
Nate.
Who?
Nate.
What is your Instagram?
345 Nate.
345. See, what kind of car you got?
I got a 2023 Dodge Charger.
There you go. How old are you?
20.
You better be happy you got a Charger, because most kids you can drive a little Hyundais from 87.
And I got a 5.0 Mustang.
But how you got a Dodge and a Ford, man? Like,
hey, man.
And sports cars anyway, you know what I'm saying? I can't say nothing, y'all, because I
I want to shout out Elite Click.
Yes.
We are Elite Click, and we are the North Central. I'm the president of the North Central.
There you go. Because now you know a little bit more. I told you she's true to the game.
31 chapters deep nationwide, so Elite
31
Click.
chapters. That's pretty good. You're the president of this area.
I'm the president of the North.
You know, that tells y'all exactly who she is. She's really true to the game, man. So you know what I'm saying? In reality, it's a privilege and honor when you deal with people got a passion for it. She has it, so we're grateful, man. But this journey for this part of the phase is done. I got a lot of other ideas that we came up with to do something crazy and different for her. So stay tuned to not only my channel, but stay tuned to her channel so you can see the growth. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss this build. If you go to Instagram, you see the old one and you'll get understanding. And the second one is usually better than the first one, because you learn on your first one the mistakes you make. You make it better on the second one, and I can guarantee the car can be better in the process, y'all. But we're going to end this video. I always tell y'all, thank y'all for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.